Welcome back to another exciting, super helpful video that's going to completely transform the way you look at one of the most important appliances in your home, your washing machine. Now tell me honestly, when was the last time you gave your washing machine a proper clean? And no, I'm not talking about wiping the outside with a damp cloth. I mean deep cleaning it, naturally, without harsh chemicals, without those expensive machine cleaner tablets. Most people just load their clothes, press start, and never think twice about what's going on inside. But here's the truth. Over time, your washing machine collects dirt, soap scum, detergent residue, hard water minerals, and yes, even bacteria and mold. Yikes. That funky smell you sometimes get on your clothes? That's your washing machine crying for help. The good news? Today, I'm going to show you top and easy natural hacks that will make your washing machine smell fresh, look clean, and run more efficiently, without a single drop of chemical cleaner. And you know me. I'm not just going to tell you what to do. I'm going to explain why it works, how it works, and little tips that make it so much easier. Plus, I'll be asking you some fun questions along the way, so make sure you stay till the end. Because I've got a final tip that 90% of people have never heard of, and it could literally double your washing machine's life. All right, are you ready? Let's jump straight in. Hack number 1. The magical vinegar deep clean cycle. All right, first up, my absolute favorite natural cleaner, white vinegar. Vinegar is like the superhero of the cleaning world. It's cheap, safe, eco-friendly, and it works wonders on soap scum, mineral deposits, and bacteria. Here's what you're going to do. Make sure your washing machine is empty. No clothes, no detergent. Take 2 full cups of white vinegar. Pour it directly into the drum of your machine, not the detergent drawer. Set your washing machine to the hottest water setting and the longest cycle available. Press start and let the vinegar work its magic. Why does this work? Vinegar is acidic. Not enough to damage your machine, but just enough to dissolve soap residue, break down lime scale, and kill odor-causing bacteria. When that hot water mixes with vinegar, it gets into every corner of the drum, hoses, and pump. Pro tip: halfway through the cycle, pause the machine and let the vinegar water sit for about an hour. This gives it more time to break down stubborn buildup. Engagement. Question: have you ever tried cleaning your washing machine with vinegar before? Did you notice a difference in smell? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious. Hack number 2, baking soda freshness boost. Once the vinegar cycle is done, it's time for our second natural hero, baking soda. Baking soda is a mild alkaline cleaner, fantastic at neutralizing odors and giving your machine that extra fresh feeling. Here is how you do it. Add half a cup of baking soda directly into the drum. Run another hot water cycle, but this time a shorter one is fine. Baking soda not only removes odors, but also gently scrubs away any leftover residue from the vinegar cycle. Think of it as the polishing step for your washing machine's interior. Why this works? Baking soda reacts with acids, like the vinegar we just used, to create a fizzing effect that loosens grime. It also deodorizes the machine so your clothes won't pick up any musty smells. Engagement. Question: what do you usually use baking soda for at home? Just baking? Or cleaning too? Let me know in the comments. Hack number 3. Scrubbing the rubber seal. This one is where things get real. If you have a front-loading washing machine, you probably noticed a rubber seal around the door. Guess what? That's mold's favorite vacation spot. The seal stays damp after every wash, and small bits of lint, hair, and soap scum get trapped there. Over time, hello, black mold spots and nasty smells. Here's the fix. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray generously around and under the seal. Pull it gently back to get into the hidden folds. Use a soft cloth or an old toothbrush to scrub away the grime. Wipe it dry with a clean towel. Pro tip: after every wash, leave your machine door open so air can circulate. This helps prevent future mold growth. Why this works? Vinegar's acidity kills mold spores and disinfects without harming the rubber. A toothbrush gets into the tight spaces where a cloth can't reach. Engagement. Question. Be honest. When was the last time you actually cleaned that part of your washing machine? Weeks ago, months, or never? If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest cleaning and life hacks. Now let's move on to the next one. Hack number 4. Cleaning the detergent drawer. Ah, the detergent drawer. The place where we pour all those liquids and powders and somehow forget it exists after that. But this area can get gross, full of soap sludge, fabric softener goo, and sometimes even black mold. Here is what you will do. Remove the detergent drawer completely. Most machines let you pull it right out with a gentle tug. Fill your sink with warm water and add 1 cup of vinegar. Let the drawer soak for 10-15 minutes. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away the gunk. Rinse it well and dry before sliding it back into the machine. Why this works? That buildup can actually block detergent from reaching your clothes properly. Vinegar loosens it, and warm water makes it easier to scrub off. Engagement. Question, quick poll. Do you use liquid detergent, powder, or those little pods? I want to know which team you're on. Hack number 5. The filter checkup. Your washing machine. S-filter is like its little secret superhero. It catches coins, lint, hair, and random objects before they clog your pipes. But if you never clean it, your machine's performance will drop. Here's how to do it. Check your manual for the exact location. Unplug your washing machine. Safety first. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom front of the machine. Place a towel and a shallow container underneath. Some water will spill out. Twist open the filter and remove any trapped debris. Rinse it under running water and put it back. Why this works? A clean filter means better drainage, fewer odors, and less strain on your machine's motor. Engagement. Question. What is the weirdest thing you've ever found in your washing machine filter? Keys? Socks? Maybe some cash? Tell me in the comments. Hack number 6. Lemon juice shine treatment. If you want your washing machine to smell fresh and also have that nice clean shine, lemon juice is the way to go. It's a natural deodorizer, mild bleach, and leaves a fresh scent. Here's how to use it. Mix half a cup of lemon juice with 1 cup of water. Wipe down the inside of the drum, the door, and even the outside of the machine. For extra shine, buff with a dry microfiber cloth. Why this works? Lemon juice. Natural citric acid removes mineral stains and freshens up odors without being too harsh. Engagement. Question. Do you prefer the smell of lemon, lavender, or something else when it comes to cleaning products? Hack number 7. Preventing future buildup. Cleaning your machine once is great, but keeping it clean is even better. Here are a few easy prevention tips. Leave the door open after each wash to prevent mold. Use the right amount of detergent. Too much causes residue. Run a vinegar rinse once a month. Wipe the seal and drum after heavy loads. Why this works? Prevention saves time and effort. It is like brushing your teeth. You don't wait until they super dirty before you start cleaning, right? Engagement. Question. Do you think you'll actually keep up with a monthly cleaning schedule? Or will you wait until it smells funky again? All right, my friends. We're halfway through our natural washing machine makeover. If you've been finding these hacks helpful so far, give this video a big thumbs up right now so I know you're enjoying it. Also, tell me in the comments where you were watching from. I love seeing our little cleaning family from all over the world. Okay, so now your washing machine is already looking and smelling way better. But we're not stopping here. Oh no, I've got even more natural hacks that will make your washer sparkle and keep it in perfect condition for years to come. Some of these are so simple you'll wonder why you never tried them before. And one of them might just blow your mind. Hack number 8. Salt scrub for stubborn stains. Sometimes even after all that vinegar and baking soda magic, you might still see a few stubborn stains or spots inside the drum, especially if you've washed a lot of muddy clothes or heavily soiled items. Enter good old salt. Here is what you do. Mix half a cup of salt with just enough water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the stained areas inside your drum. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Gently scrub with a soft cloth or sponge, then rinse with warm water. Why this works? Salt is a natural abrasive. It's tough enough to remove stains, but gentle enough not to scratch the metal drum. It also has antibacterial properties, so it's doing double duty. Engagement. Question: when you think of salt, do you think food or cleaning? Have you ever cleaned anything in your house with salt before? Hack number 9. Essential oil freshness. Trick: want your washing machine to smell like a luxury spa? Here's a natural hack that's as simple as it is delightful. Essential oils. Take a clean microfiber cloth. Add 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, lavender, tea tree, eucalyptus, whatever makes you happy. Wipe down the inside of your washing machine drum, the rubber seal, and even the outside. Pro tip: tea tree oil is naturally antibacterial and antifungal, so it's great if you're fighting moldy smells. Why this works? Essential oils don't just mask odors. Many of them actually kill odor-causing bacteria. Plus, every time you open the machine, you'll get a whiff of something wonderful instead of stale air. Engagement. Question: if you could make your laundry smell like anything in the world, what scent would you choose? Hack number 10. Sunlight drying. This is one hack hardly anyone talks about, but it's genius. After you've cleaned removable parts like the detergent drawer, filter, or even the rubber seal, if it comes out easily, try drying them in direct sunlight. Why this works? The UV rays from the sun naturally kill bacteria and mold spores. Plus, it leaves everything smelling fresh without using any artificial fragrances. Pro tip: don't leave rubber parts in the sun too long. Just an hour or two is perfect. Hack number 11. Rice or silica pack moisture control. Here's a clever prevention trick. After you're done using your washing machine, pop a small cloth bag filled with uncooked rice or silica gel packets inside the drum. Why this works? Both rice and silica absorb excess moisture, which means your machine stays drier between washes, and mold hates dryness. Pro tip: change the rice every few weeks, and never use cooked rice, unless you're trying to invent a new mold species, which I do not recommend. Hack number 12. Boiling water shock treatment. Top load only. If you've got a top loading machine, this one's for you. Every few months, fill the washer with the hottest water it can handle, even boiling water if your machine allows. Then let it sit for an hour before draining. Why this works? High heat kills bacteria, loosens built-up grime, and can even dissolve certain mineral deposits. Safety tip: always check your machine's manual before pouring boiling water. Some models aren't built for extreme temperatures. Hack number 13. Vinegar plus lemon power combo. Remember our vinegar and lemon juice tricks from earlier? Well, if you combine them, you get the ultimate all-natural washing machine cleaner. Here's the mix: 1 cup vinegar, 1 to 2 cup lemon juice. Run a hot cycle with this mixture, and you'll get the deep cleaning power of vinegar plus the fresh scent and stain-fighting citric acid of lemon. Why this works? Vinegar and lemon work in different ways. Vinegar dissolves alkaline buildup while lemon targets mineral stains. Together, they're like Batman and Robin for your washing machine. Hack number 14. The all-natural detergent. Who needs expensive detergent when you've got nature's cleaning power right at your fingertips? Before you wash your clothes, pre-soak them in a solution of 1 2-cup white vinegar and 1 4-cup baking soda. For an extra boost, add 1 2-cup of washing soda, which helps prevent future staining and acts as a natural deodorizer. Rinse your clothes thoroughly and put them in the washing machine. You'll be amazed at how clean and fresh they come out without any harsh chemicals. Hack number 15. The refresh cycle. If you don't have time for a full wash, no problem. Just run an empty cycle with 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of baking soda. This helps clean the washer and deodorize it. It's like hitting the refresh button on your washing machine, keeping the habit alive. The best part about all these hacks? They're cheap, easy, and don't require fancy equipment. Here's a simple monthly cleaning schedule you can follow. Week 1, vinegar deep clean. Week 2, quick baking soda refresh. Week 3, seal and detergent drawer wipe. Week 4, filter check and dust wipe down. If you follow that routine, your machine will last longer, smell better, and your clothes will come out cleaner than ever. And there you have it, 15 fabulous ways to keep your washing machine not just functional, but fantastic. Did you find a new favorite trick? Have your own tried and tested method? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing cleaning tips and life hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.